Hello everyone, my name is Vindhya and I am studying MCA 4th semester at Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore, and my topic today that I am going to explain is about ERP and e-commerce, and my register number is 4MH20 MCA 90. Introduction to ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP means the technique and concepts for integrated management of business. ERP definition is where it is a platform where an industry, IT company, and business can be maintained. To improve the efficiency of enterprise management, ERP is used. Objective of ERP is efficient and effective use of management resources. ERP packages are integrated software packages that cover all business functions and support the ERP concepts. ERP software is designed to automate many of the basic processes of a company. Advantages of ERP. The first one is enhanced business reporting. If we take example of manufacturing industries, first they used to handle manually everything. If you take supply chain or manufacture, that how much raw materials has been purchased from them and how much the production is done, how much the manufacture is done in a day. That was very difficult, and then now they are making use of ERP software, which is very useful. When the work is done, it will be reported. And the next one is better customer service. By using ERP, they'll get to know what's the market demand for their product, and they improve their customer service by delivering them the raw material by time to time, and improved inventory management. By viewing at the stock that they have, they'll get to know what's the demand for their products in the market, and then that when it is sold, in the ERP software, everything will be updated so that they can get to know how much production should be increased or not. And the fourth one is boosted cash flow. Boosted cash flow means the profit will be more if they maintain by ERP. The work will be getting faster and faster so that they can produce or manufacture more number of uh, what products. And next one is cost savings. Cost savings means by using of ERP, so much of manual work is avoided, so that the payment for the employees or salary for the employees will what they give will be reduced. And the sixth one is better data and security. So they order in a separate ERP so that the data will be maintained by them itself, and it is secured so that they'll get to know what the customer is interested on. And the seventh one is supply chain management. Supply chain management means it is a service sector where by use of ERP software, they'll get to know how much supply they are doing in a day so that they can improve their supply chain. Scope of ERP. First one is financials. If we take example of manufacturing industries, first it was managed manually, and it was not, if the ledger books and tally books would be maintained, but after some amount of time the data would be erased. So, with the help of ERP software, this can become over and Tally, there's a software called Tally, for example, that can be used for maintaining accounts. And the next one is logistics. By the help of ERP software, they can manage or they can get to know the logistics are reaching to the customers on time or not. And the next one is employees. ERP manages employees' salary, employee data, and then their attendance. It would be checked by ERP software. And the fourth one is supply chain management. Supply chain, which is a service sector, and that would be checked by ERP software, whether it is reaching the if you take the raw materials, if it is reached on time or not. And the next one is data warehousing, where they have the data of customers, whether they are interested in their products or not, that they'll get to know. And the data mining in the ERP software of, if you take a manufacturing industry, they can search whoever had ordered products from their company. They'll get to know by data mining that what they are interested in. This is known as data. E-commerce. E-commerce is the use of telecommunication and data processing technology to improve the quality of transaction between business partners. The global marketplace has become larger and wider than E because of the expansion of e-commerce activity. It is about using the power of digital information to understand the needs and preferences of each customer and each partner. Categories of e-commerce. The first one is business to business. In the business to business activity, it refers to the full spectrum of e-commerce that can occur between two organizations. Among other activities, this includes purchasing and procurement, supplier management, and inventory management, channel management, sales activities, payment management, and service and support. And the next one is consumer to consumer. In this, exchanges involve transactions between and among consumers. These exchanges can include third party involvement, as in the case of the auction website eBay. Next one is consumer to business. Consumer to business. Consumers can band together to present themselves as a buyer in a consumer to business relationship. These groups may be economically motivated, as with demand aggregators, or socially oriented, as the cause related advocacy groups. If you take an example, there is a website www.speakout.com, and the next one is business to consumer. In business to consumer, it refers to the process of businesses selling products and services directly to customers with no middle person. Business to consumer is typically used to refer to online retailers who sell products and services to consumer through the internet. If you take example, it's Amazon. And the next one is role of ERP vendors in e-commerce. SAP. It is steadily integrating its suite and is also working with partners to deliver other web e-commerce solution. Ban Food. It delivers web e-commerce capabilities primarily for managing sales orders, fulfillment process from products, and also collects feedback. Oracle. It supports with main infrastructure tools and web e-commerce, including market leading and relational database. E-directories. Internet offers the possibility to replicate phone directories without any hazards. If you take example, if you type a person's number using internet, you would get his phone number. Thank you.